Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would share a little thrift haul with you guys. This is all stuff that I bought on the same day. I went to some op shops or some thrift stores with my mum. We went to a couple of different shops and I ended up finding quite a few cool things, so I thought I'd just share them with you guys and show you what I got. So the first thing I got was this little stand. When I found it in the shop, it actually was a little plate holder, so it was like a plate stand, and I'm sure you could use it for photo frames or books or whatever you like, but for me I thought it could be cool to hold journals. I thought that I could use it as a photo prop or as just a pretty little stand in my craft room somewhere, and it only cost me $2, so I got that. The next thing is this little Singer box. It's a plastic box. As you can see by the sticker, this cost me $4. It's just a little plastic container. It's got some random little sewing knickknacks in here, some really old little bits and pieces. There's some little needle packets in here and some other random things, which I'm not sure if I'll be able to use, but I did get it for the little box. I do have a Singer machine and I just thought this would be cute little vintage storage in my little sewing station. Another thing that I got for storage is this vintage biscuit tin, and by the sticker here I think this was made around 1980, and I just got it because it has this cute little scene of people painting in the street, and I just collect vintage tins. The inside's not in great condition, it's a little bit rusty, but I just have a thing for vintage tins. I have a bit of a collection, so I just thought I would add this to my collection. So this tin cost me $10, but on the back there's actually a sticker saying $35. I think someone was trying to sell them before they donated them, but I got this for $10. There's one other piece of storage that I got, and that is this big wooden box. So this box is actually quite heavy. I'm guessing this was handmade. It looks really old. It's got this pretty floral decal on it. And again, I just grabbed this for storage in my craft room. It did cost me $20. So it comes with a whole bunch of knitting needles and stuff like that, which I'm not going to be able to use. I don't knit, so most of this stuff is going to get donated back to the thrift store. I just wanted the box itself. I just thought that it was pretty. It was a nice big size. It was made really well and it goes with my craft room. So I spent the $20 on the box. Next, I was pretty lucky with linens. I found a couple of linens that are really pretty. As my collection of linens has gotten really large, I'm more selective about purchasing more. I've got quite a lot of vintage linens with beautiful embroidery. So oftentimes at the thrift store, if I find a vintage linen, I'll leave it there now, unless it is especially beautiful or something that I haven't really seen before. So I got this really cute little kitten embroidery. I got this pretty little one with the pink border. Thought that was really cute. I got this large cross stitch because I really liked the colors in it. I thought it was really pretty and a nice big size, so I got that one. And then I got this little embroidery, this little round one, and I really liked this one again for the colors. Really nice, warm, sunny colors. Then I got this butterfly one. I actually have one just like this in different colors. So someone's obviously used the same or almost the same pattern and just picked different colors to embroider it with. But it's really, really pretty, so I grabbed that one too. And then the last one, probably the coolest or the cutest one, is this really big one, again with the kittens. So this one has 4 little kittens and I just thought it was super cute. Really pretty colors, so I grabbed that one as well. And then last of all, I have some books and some maps. There's a few things here to look at. So I found this little book amongst a bunch of maps and I grabbed this. It was $3. It just has heaps of vintage maps in here, so I grabbed that. And then amongst that, there was all of these vintage maps, so many, and these are from all different places around the world, which is really cool. So many of them are really big maps that fold all the way out. I think actually most of them fold all the way out into really huge maps. And as you can see, there is just a whole big stack of them. I can't remember what this cost me. I'm thinking they were about $1 each. And as you can see, I got a really big stack of them. They just fold out so big, so I'm not going to fold them all the way out. But there's heaps of those. I also grabbed 2 sheet music booklets, and I got these ones just because they had cute colours and illustrations on the cover. So Happy Farm Days and 12 nursery tunes. I think I have another one of these somewhere as well, but I just thought those were really cute, so I grabbed those. And then the last few things I got are just these 2 books. So this book here is a money column book, and so it's just got like ledger or lined papers, and this is completely unused, so just heaps of nice paper to use in journals. And then last of all, I grabbed this book. This book caught my eye because of the green color, but mostly because of the lining paper on the inside. I thought this was such a cool illustration, and that is in the back as well. But this book is called The Complete Australian Gardener Illustrated, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Again, I mostly got it for the cover and for the lining on the inside of the cover, but I just thought it was a cool book, and it's a nice size as well. So that's all the stuff that I got on that one day very recently. While I have you here, I might just show you a few other things that I've gotten kind of recently, probably within the last 6 months. I may have shared on my Instagram page, but not on YouTube, so I'm just going to show those as well while we're here. So one thing I got was this big wall shelf, and I haven't hung this up yet because I am going to paint it. I decided I'm going to paint it. It has this rail along the bottom. I'm not quite sure yet what I'm going to use this for, or I may even end up using it in my daughter's room if I don't use it in my craft room. But I just thought it was a really cute little shelf, and that maybe I could hang something from the rail, use it as like a handy little station for ribbons or something like that. So I got that shelf. I also got this little cigar box at the thrift store, and it didn't come with anything in it, but I filled it up with all of these little Christmas cutouts because I've been working on my Christmas collection. But I have a couple of these cigar boxes now, and I just can't resist when I do come across them. So I grabbed that as well. And then last of all, I also found this cute little tin. It's pretty old and rusted, but like I said, I do collect vintage tins, so I just added that to my collection as well. I feel like I have other things to show you guys that I've been finding at thrift stores, but I just can't think of what they are or where I put them right now, so I think I'm going to leave it there. I hope you guys enjoyed this little thrift haul. I hope you're all doing really well, and I will see you soon in my next video.